Kumar, Associate Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are going to discuss about safety standards for demolition. Demolition. So this is the survey for demolition operations. Engineering survey shall be made by competent person in writing, local demolition and debris removal plan, and property operate preparatory operations when employees are required to work within a structure to be demolished which was being damaged by fire, flood, explosion or other cause. The walls or floor shall be shored or braced. All electric, gas, water streams, sewer and other service lines shall be shut off, capped or otherwise controlled outside the building line before demolition work is started. It shall also be determined if any type of hazardous chemical gases, explosives, flammable matters, materials or similarly dangerous substances have been used in any pipes, tanks. When debris is dropped through holes in the floor or area on which the material is dropped shall be completely enclosed with barricades. Signs warning of the hazard of falling material shall be posted at each level. Employee entrances to multi-story structures being demolished shall be completely protected by side wall sheds or canopies. All stairs, passageways, ladders shall be periodically inspected and maintained a clean, safe condition. In multi-story building, when stair well is being used, shall be properly illuminated by either natural or artificial means. No material shall be dropped to any point laying outside the exterior walls of the structure unless the area is effectively protected. All materials, chuttis or sections thereof angles of more than 45 degree from the horizontal shall be entirely enclosed. Any chutti opening into which workman dump debris shall be protected by substantial drill approximately 42 inches above the floor. Removal of wall masonry sections in chimneys. No wall sections which is more than 1 story in height shall be permitted to stand alone without lateral bracings. Structural or load supporting members on any floor shall not be cut or removed until all stories above such as floor have been demolished and removed. Floor openings shall have curbs or stop locks to prevent equipment from running over the edge. Mechanical demolition. During demolition, continuing inspections by competent person shall be made as the work progress to detect hazards resulting from the weakened or deteriorated floors, walls or loosened materials. Always start at the top and basements can be cause equipment to fall. Remove all lead and substance first. Evaluate structural members before cutting.